Hey everybody, this is Boom City Breaks on Saturday, November the 12th, actually November the 13th. It's about 2 a.m. Central, and we're breaking Gold Rush Football Jersey Edition 2016. This is a two-box break of box 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So we did pick your teams, as you can see on the far left there. I am just going to turn that off real quick just to give us a little more room. Actually, just going to turn that one off real quick too. And we got to rip it from everybody. We got a pretty good mix. It's been a super great few days as far as the hits goes, guys. We are on to some killer cases, and we're nearing the very last of the Gold Rush. So you all should be stopping on by and buying in. Here you go. You're going to hear that pop, pop. These have been solid cases after solid cases for the last few days. Let's see if we get another nice hit here, man. Ooh. Well, there is our Steeler, Mr. MB Skills. It is a Mr. Mean Joe Greene. Mean Joe Greene. Again, if you grew up during, if you're my age, man, you know the old Coke commercial. Yep, Mr. Mean Joe Greene. MB Skills nails the Steeler, Mean Joe Greene. It is MB Skills with the first hit in box one. Very nice Mean Joe Greene. Been pulling very solid product out of this. Here we go. We actually hit Mean Joe on K75. We had a promo running. If we hit a guy with 75 jersey number, we give an extra $50 away in the next promo. And sure enough, we pulled Mean Joe. Mean Joe won everybody in the room $50 that night. So there you go. No, it wasn't a Bumblebee. It was just a regular black. You got to hear that pop, pop of box 4, which is box 2 of our 2-box break. Here we go, folks. Here, I'm going to get my thing just to focus real quick, if it will. Doesn't look like it will. Here we go. Wow, did we hit them back-to-back cases, guys? I tell you guys, when we start hitting, guys, that's when to jump on those teams, not abandon them. One of the very last teams to go is the hit again with a super sweet Marshal Faulk. Guys, I told you 10 times we were going to pull a Ram this case, and here we go. There you go, guys. Again, when we start hitting teams, it's not when to drop them. That's when to jump on them. Tells you something else is coming. There you go, man. It's our second Marshal Faulk of the night, guys. If you want them, hit jerseys like this, stop on by breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks. Look for our eBay auctions at Boom City Breaks. You all have a great night. Please click that follow button below. We appreciate it.